in any transformation is good for us to have what we call agents, which they're going to be like catalyzers, right? So they're going to multiply the results and make the communication flow. Usually, you have your champions where you're gonna attribute this kind of role. This is somehow natural to leadership position as well. But how can we take a step down and involve the Gemba in this project? So we have two questions. What is the importance of these agents, and how can we have change agents in the Gemba, where the place actually, where the value actually is created?
Yeah, I think that's a good question. So normally in any project, you need to create a project organization. So you have normally an executive level, you have a core team level, you have a workshop team level. And I guess you need change agents in different positions. These are people that are going to motivate other colleagues to join the journey. But I think if you're talking on a workshop level, the change agents are going to be these people that can facilitate Kaizen workshops, can facilitate different discussions, and these people need to be chosen with or very carefully, because these are people that need to have a specific profile. They need to be really creative. They need to guide people, be good at conflict management, and really identify themselves with the continuous improvement philosophy. So I guess when you find these people, it's easier then to qualify them in the lean methodologies and in the tools, rather than the opposite. So I guess this is one first important step. And these people need to be also qualified in terms of setting up the right workshop team. And depending on the area where we're gonna do improvements, who are the Gemba people, who are the process owners that need to be part of this. So maybe if I'm looking into a more indirect process, I'll need to have somebody from HR that really is part of the HR processes and does the HR activities, the same for finance, the same for the quality area, and so on. So I guess then these change agents will have the great opportunity to find out who are these people, who knows the process by heart, and how to set up this group that will look into the process and will really apply all the tools and all the steps to come to an improvement.
They're gonna be the key drivers of the change, right?
Yes, they are the key drivers. They will facilitate the workshops. They will take care of the organization. They will, of course, escalate what needs to be escalated together with the group. So these are key people. Their profile needs to be really taken into consideration. And if you have the right people, I'm sure it cannot go wrong.